We're gonna help you take your mashed potato game to the next level. The first thing we're gonna do is grab our russet potatoes. I find that russet potatoes give me a fluffier mashed potato compared to the Yukon Golds, but feel free to use those if that's all you got. The first thing we're gonna do is cut the potatoes uniformly. This will help the potatoes cook more evenly because you don't want different textures in your mashed potato, right? Once you have your potatoes all uniformly cut, we're gonna take these and put them in a pot of cold water. If you put the potatoes in boiling water, the potatoes are gonna cook faster on the outside compared to the inside, leaving you with unevenly cooked potatoes. So I'm gonna strain them here, and I'm gonna check to make sure they are cooked all the way through. Your fork should be able to pierce through the potatoes quite easily. After our potatoes have been cooked and strained, we're gonna melt some butter, well, because butter just makes everything taste better. And then we're going to start working on our cream and herb mixture. And then you want to add some of your favorite herbs to enhance the flavors of your mashed potatoes. I'm using rosemary, thyme, a combination of oregano, basil, pepper. You can do whatever you want. Just give that a nice mix on low heat for a few minutes. And once your cream mixture is ready, we're gonna put everything together. Start by adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This allows the potatoes to get even fluffier. Add your melted butter and start mashing. If you don't have a mashing tool, you can just use a fork, no problem. Finally, once your potatoes are nice and smooth there, we're gonna add our herb and cream mixture. Give that a nice mix. And once your potatoes are all stirred up nicely, we're gonna throw that in a bowl, add some extra melted butter on top, some freshly cracked pepper, and that's basically it. Enjoy! Check out some of these other videos here, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.